Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to do a full flip through of this junk journal that I have completed. This is for the hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journals Challenge 2025. This is myself and 8 other ladies who are hosting this all-year event. And each month we will post a video of what we're going to do, and then we post a follow-up video by the end of the month of what we have completed. So this was June of 25's journal that I created. This was for a commission, and the person decided they weren't going to purchase it once I had just started on the cover. So I went ahead and went a completely different direction from what they had said. And I added daisies because they're my favorite flowers. So let's go ahead and get into this. So the first thing I have here is a boho bead that I made. It's got a little heart at the bottom, this beautiful teal color, turquoise. And then I have a ribbon that I've made with a closure on it. And that just wraps around the journal a couple times. The cover has a pocket in the front here with some journal cards and beautiful paper from my friend Cheryl's at Cheryl's Crafts. And I used 3 different kits in this journal. I'll get into that here in a minute. But on the cover, I have layered different pieces of fabric, and I hand stitched those down onto an Amazon bubble envelope. And then there's one signature in this. And then on the back here, I have a pocket in the back, so I just wrapped the lace around, and there's a pocket in the back, one on the front. And then on the back, I gave it a little bit more visual texture with some trim and things like that over the patchwork. So there is the front cover. I added a little doily and a little Amazon, a little abalone shell button. And then down here, I also have some more buttons. And the side here, you'll see lots of different things sticking out, so lots of fun there. So the kits that I used in this, I have Daisy Dreams from Wizards Art Designs. I'll have links to all of these in the description box. I have Meadow Daisies from Brush Art Digital 1. And then I have Digital Fit Blue Daisy Vintage Ephemera. And then I have some from Lindsay Zenor at Nevermore Creations, who is now being sold by Dawn at Scrapbook Sage. So we'll go through here and just kind of look through the journal. So I've left lots of room for writing. You guys know I like a balance in my journals so that they are visually appealing, but they also are functional. Little cluster there. And then this is a piece of Cheryl's beautiful paper, natural dyed paper that I just tied a little bow around. I have a fabric flip. And then I made a little banner at the top here with some fake flowers and some little pieces of fabric that I made into a banner. And a couple more tags here with Cheryl's pretty paper. And I did some stitching on here, hand stitching, and then I made a little heart for the string that comes off of that. This just folds out. If you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know I like to do little hidden spots for journaling. I have another one here that just folds out like this. Then here's our signature center of the signature, I guess I should say. So yeah, I found all these digitals on Etsy, so you want to check that out. And like I said, I'll put a link in the description box to each one. A little flip spot there. I love these watercolor images, so pretty. A library card. And then this is kind of like a waterfall effect. And all of these just fold out in their journaling spots. But I thought that was a cool way to do that, just with a little bit of like a waterfall effect. Then I have some lace on the pages here for tabs. Then in the back I have a pocket with 2 more journal cards in there. And then again, this just all closes up with the ribbon. And then the boho bead with that lobster claw just clips on there. I will be having some of these boho beads in an upcoming video for sale, so you'll want to watch that. They'll be coming into my shop soon. And then before I leave you today, I want to share with you these cute little booklets that I got from the Dollar General. And they are called Banner Kit. And they were $1.80 from American Crafts. They had a whole bin of them, and I bought them all. And so I have an idea on how I want to use these. So they come with the string to make the banner, but I'm not going to use it like that. And there's holes already in there ready to go, and it's already cut out. So if you don't have these, I will show in the video that's coming up how to cut out your own. But yeah, I saw these and I thought, I have an idea on how I want to use it, so stay tuned for that as well. And then Dawn and I will be having an upcoming live video, so you'll want to stay tuned for that. We're trying to do those on Saturdays as we have time, so be watching my Ko-fi page and also the community page here on YouTube. That's where I will update those. And then also I have a Facebook group, which I don't know if you guys knew that. So when Lindsay Zenor sold me the consignment portion of her business, she still had the Facebook page. So I have now taken that over, and it is called Yvette's Junk Journal Shop Friends and Fans. So pop in there. We're going to be having some upcoming changes there so that we have a little more consistency on how people are posting things, and a little bit more organized, so that we're not inundated with one particular thing, like digitals or a lot of different things, freebies, things like that. So we want to have a mix of everything, a healthy mix, and I think by having a certain day for each thing will help us all stay organized in that and help people be able to find what they're looking for. So stay tuned for some changes there if you're already a member of the group. If you're not, go ahead and pop over to Facebook. Again, that's Yvette's Junk Journal Shop Friends and Fans. So I do have an Yvette's Junk Journal Shop on Facebook, which is my business page, and then I have Friends and Fans, which is the group. So go ahead and check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This journal and lots more journals are available in my shop, Yvette's Junk Journal Shop on Ko-fi. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.